Hey guys, your brother Yassine here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to make money online through YouTube. So first, I just want you to look over this video that I have in here. It's called Epic Thunder and Rain. It's basically rainy sounds and thunder sounds. Look at this. Look at this. Look how many views they have. They have so far 102 close to 103 million views, right? And let's hear what they have here. Check this out. So guys, as you could hear in here, is almost pretty much the exact same sound that keeps going for 10 hours. And again, many people do sleep with these kind of sounds, me included. Sometimes I do put this sound so that I can go to sleep, and it's very relaxing. Of course, not for everybody, but for some of them. And what you can do, so first let's see how this channel is making. So there is a website called socialblade.com. Socialblade.com is basically a website that where you can type any YouTube channel and see an estimate of how much they're making. But generally, the amount that you're gonna see is more, it's an underestimation, right? They make generally more money than what you could find on Social Blade. But again, that still gives you an estimate. So as you could see, this channel has 2.9 million, 2.09 million. They have 620 videos, right? Look how much they are making every single day on average, between $213 and $3,400. Okay, but as I told you, and look at this, monthly. Okay, so per year they said that they are making 85.6. The range is up to 1.4, and believe me guys, they would generally make over $1 million, at least over $1 million, just from YouTube ads, without having to count the sponsorships or the affiliate links that they have. Because again, as you can see here, for example, yeah, look at this. This is one of their videos. As you could see here, they have look at this, buy Epic Thunder MP3. So imagine having thousands and thousands of people coming on a daily basis and buying some stuff, some of them buying some software from you. Imagine how much this channel is making every single day. It's just hilarious to see, a channel that doesn't put that much work and still making a lot of money like that, while others, they work so hard for probably their whole life. I would never even make 50% or 30% of what this channel alone is making with such a low amount of work. So if you wanna do this, it's very easy, very simple, and doesn't require that much work. So what you do, you come to this website. It's called Orange. Okay, let me put it this way: Orange Free Sounds. Okay, so it's totally free. What you go here, when you get here, what you can put, for example, rain, right? And you click on enter. You can click rain. You can put thunders. You guys find some synonyms and play with them, and so that you can find sounds. So let's hear this one. How about this one? How about that one? Guys, you have a lot. Let me pause this. Guys, you have a lot of sounds. So for example, let's say you want to, and these sounds are really no different from those. So all you have to do is get to here, read more, and download. And accept. And then you can get here, but yeah, you don't have to buy any Soundwave. I've never used this, but you can just go get in here and click on free download MP3. You download it, and then yeah, that's it. All you have to do is, it depends whether you have you using a Mac or you know, Windows, and then you can see, you know, just search for software that's going to allow you to get the sounds mixed up with the images, just like what you see in here. And again, as you can see, it's pretty much the same. Here it's just an image, but I would highly recommend you that you get a video to make it look even more compelling. Yeah, so no, I wouldn't recommend you this one, Epidemic Sound, for now. Just stick to what is free. And again, you can get to epidemicsound.com. They will give you some I mean, they have some sounds that you can buy, but for now, just stick for what is free. When you're making a lot of money, a little bit of money, then you can start investing on more sounds. But still, as you can see here, we get into pexels.com, right? Let me show you. You get into pexels.com, and let's click rain or thunder, right? It's all based on on your sound. So here, just click here on videos. That's it. And let's see, for example, this one. All right. So as you can see here, you have a video. You don't have to put this one. I don't like this one that much, but still, if you want to put it, you can put it, and you can mix it with other videos in here. Or you have, for example, this one. But again, you got the point. All you do, you go to free download, you click on it. There you go. This one, I like it better. You click on it. You get to the software, doesn't matter what you're using, and then you mix the video with the audio that I showed you that you download from Orange Free Sounds. So basically, with the video that you download from pexels.com, and you just mix them up and you let it run and repeat them. Let them repeat themselves for example, let's say if you want to make a five-hour video, you can let the exact same sound repeat itself for 5 hours or 10 hours. Same goes for images, right? But again, it would be better to have a video if possible. But again, don't forget, this video is running. Look at this. It's the exact same image, just one image, right? And almost the exact same sound keep repeating itself over and over again. But imagine, this channel is making millions now. So all I want you to do, whenever you start this channel, you gotta be smart. Look for similar channels and don't try to copy paste what they're doing, just to inspire yourself from them. Try to inspire yourself from the titles, the descriptions, the sounds. But again, you get the point. I know you guys are smart enough not just to copy paste it, because otherwise you might run into some issues with YouTube. But just make sure you have differentiation touch. Okay. And yeah, so for example, whenever you get here, let's say you get to this channel, and again, it's one channel among many that do this, but still there is a lot of room in here, and that's something that you can do super quickly. That's why I shared with you this method, because it's not gonna require from you a lot of time to do it. Like generally it would require 20 up to 30 minutes a day maximum, but the moment you get used to it, yeah, probably 15 minutes and that's it, because Yeah, you don't have to edit much. You just have to take the video and mix it with the sound. Bingo, that's it. And then just launch it on you and publish it on YouTube. So for example, here you want to go to their videos. Let's say we go in here to videos, right? Make sure you don't copy any video in here. So as you can see, they just published one day ago, 4 days ago, a week ago, but you don't want to copy anything. Copy what works, model what works. So what I would recommend is that you get here to sort by, click on it, then click on most popular. Yeah, most popular. There you go. And then here, that's how I found it. That's when you're going to see the videos or the sounds that are working best, that have the most number of views. So each of these videos is making literally thousands and thousands of dollars. So for example, let's pick the 15 best ones. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, yeah, let's pick the 15 best ones, the 15 most viewed videos of this channel. Okay, so all you have to do, click on each and every single one, see what the sound is, copy the title, not copy the title, play with the title, but make it more or less similar, and that's it. And of course, even the thumbnail, just make sure you don't make it very different from what you see. I mean, if something is working, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. We're not trying to innovate or anything like that. We're just trying to reverse engineer the process, just model something that already is working, right? That's gonna make you a lot of money over time. But again, over time, the moment you start making money, you can just outsource it and just bring someone on board to make those videos for you while you're focusing on another business of yours or another channel. It's up to you. So guys, I hope you found, and by the way, just don't say just with this channel, go to other channels like this. Just look, for example, you can get here and just put rain sounds for sleeping, for example. As you can see here, there you go. Look at this, the Relax Guy. This video has 105 million views. This one is 49. This one is 8.5. Again, the same guy. But as I told you, you do the exact same process. You get to the Relax Guy, click on him, click on the channel, right? And then see videos. And again, look at this. Even the cover is not really fancy. And what you do, you click on sort by, as I showed you, most popular, right? That's it. That's it, guys. Look at this. Look at this. 19 million, 16 million, 106. And again, just model these videos as well, because as long as they're making millions of views, that means they work. So don't try, as I told you again, don't try to be innovative. Don't try to be kind of super different and invent like crazy kind of sounds and crazy kind of videos. And no, just model those people that have successful channels, okay, in this niche. So guys, I hope you found this video very interesting, and don't forget, please, to leave me a like and a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you have any question, please just don't hesitate to leave it down below in the comments. And until then, see you next time. Keep hustling. I love you all. Your brother Yassine. Bye-bye.